Hey guys, welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you this simple delicious recipe, how to make prawn roll. Stay with me and let's get started. For the prawn roll, you're going to need king prawns. I have removed the vein and also removed the shell, but I have kept the tail part on. Next, I'm going to point out in the camera where I will be scoring the king prawn, and this will ensure that once I use a sharp knife to slightly score the inside part of the prawn, it comes out nice and straight. And when it comes to scoring the king prawns, guys, please be gentle. You don't want to overcut the king prawns or you're going to end up cutting it right through. Next, I'm just going to place the king prawns in a bowl, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my seasonings. When it comes to seasoning your king prawns, feel free to season using your preferred seasonings of choice. Once you have added all the seasonings, just mix everything together, set the king prawns aside, and just allow it to marinate for 5 minutes. Next, in a small bowl, add plain flour and also add a little bit of water and mix everything together until you have a nice thick consistency. This is what you're going to use to seal your prawn roll. Now I will be using spring roll sheet to wrap my prawns. So I have these little spring roll sheets, and I'm going to be doubling my spring roll sheets because I do like my prawn roll nice and crispy. Once you have doubled the spring roll sheets, place it in a diagonal shape, almost like a diamond shape. Next, place the prawn at the edge of the spring roll sheet and then just roll over. I'm now going to fold over the left side of my spring roll sheet. I will also fold over the right side of my spring roll sheet, ensuring that the tail part of the king prawns is sticking out. Now I'm just going to roll over. To seal, I'll use the plain flour mixture. I find that this seals the prawn roll a lot better compared to using just water. I'm going to repeat the same steps until all my prawns have been wrapped. Now time to deep fry the prawn roll. I have added oil to a pot. The oil has come to heat, and now I'm just adding the prawn rolls to the oil, and I'm going to fry these until it is nice and golden. And my prawn rolls are ready, guys. They are looking absolutely delicious. I just love the color they have to it. I'm going to remove it from my oil and ensure that I serve it immediately. If you have not tried this recipe, be sure to do so because you will absolutely love it. Thank you for joining, and please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. I'm going to take a bite so you can see what the inside looks like. Enjoy yours, and I'll see you next time. Bye.